Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. I am really excited for today because I splurged a little bit and I treated myself to an automatic chicken door opener. So not only is this going to make things a little bit more consistent for my birds, but it's also going to make things a lot easier for anyone who's watching our homestead for us when we're gone. It just makes things easier. So we are going to be installing this today. My husband is going to help me so that we get it installed right. And yeah, we're just going to take you guys along for it. So this is the automatic chicken door opener that we got. It is Kebonics. It has an adjustable light sensor and a programmable timer. It comes with a control box and basically everything that you need. You do need to get the batteries for it. But what I really liked about it was that this whole compartment is completely waterproof. So it can be mounted outside and survive the rain and the snow and all of that. So I'm really excited to get this up on the coop today. Let me grab my husband and some tools that we need, and then we'll meet you back at the coop. So this is our current chicken door. Guys, shoot. Come on, shoot. It's basically just a piece of wood with wood rails, and we hold it open with an eye hook. Excuse you guys. And it just slides open and closed. But in order to open it, we have to come into the coop and wrestle all of the birds to get to it. So, but the new door is going to go on the outside and it's going to be automatic, so I won't have to touch it. So I just finished putting the rails together. This is what the door is going to be sliding on. And then next, see, the rails just slip together like that and they hold together with 2 screws. Now we're going to start installing them over there. So we got it all installed, calibrated, and it's working well. All of the chickens are very curious. They're wanting to know what it is. But I'm excited to see how this works over the next couple weeks. So after watching the chickens for a little bit investigate this new contraption, we decided to move it up a little bit because the roosters wanted to peck the yellow buttons. So we're moving it up a little bit. All right, so she is all done now. Like I said, we did move this up a little bit because our rooster is wanting to peck at the buttons and we don't want him ripping them off. So hopefully that helps deter him a little bit. But I'm excited to see how it works over the next few weeks. So that is our automatic chicken door opener install. It was a pretty easy install. It was really easy to set up the motor and get it calibrated and the timers and all of that set, so super easy. Hey, got a turkey behind me. Excuse you, ma'am. Those are my pants you're pecking. Silly turkey. Anyway, so yeah, I'm really excited to see how this works. In the next couple weeks, I will give you guys an update, let you know how I am liking it, how it's been working, and how the chickens are adapting to a door that automatically opens and closes without me. And that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.